Hello everyone, this is Jason Fain from Instructional Design and Development, and today I'm going to discuss with you how to use the discussions tool and to create your discussions and start discussions online. So to begin, you're going to have to go into the Build tab and then you're going to have to click Discussions. When that comes up, it's going to allow you to do two different things. You can create categories here or you can create topics. So first thing I can do is create a category. And this title I'm just going to call tutorials because this is going to be for my tutorials category. So tutorials. Okay, let me erase this description here and then we can just go ahead and click save. So this made a category called tutorials, but right now there's no topics. So there's two different ways I can create a topic. I can either hit the button or go to tutorials and then click create new topics in this category. In this case, I'm going to create new topics in this category. Now there's three different types of discussion boards I can choose from here. I can do a threaded topic, which is more like a typical class discussion. You can post a question and then students can post answers to that question, pose questions themselves, and then even answer each other's questions themselves. Everybody can see everybody's topics. The next thing that we have is the blog topic. This is kind of the same thing, but the student chooses what to discuss. It's kind of like a journal entry, but it's between you and them, and it's also between them and the classmates. The final thing is the journal topic, and this is just a journal entry between the student and you. In this case, I'm going to choose a threaded topic, and then click Next. Now I can go ahead and give it a title. So the title I'll give it is Discussion on Blackboard. And for the description, I'm going to pose a question that I would like students to respond to. And also, I want to try to create something that will create more discussion as they go back and forth. So, what do you think of Blackboard? How do you plan on using it in the classroom? Now, hopefully this will spawn some discussions, and what I would want to do as a faculty member is to kind of moderate it and pose more questions just to keep people discussing different things. So I'm going to go ahead and post this. I'm going to show the item. Later on I'll go into how this can be graded. For now I won't go into that. And then I can go ahead and click save. So now when we click on the tutorials, you can see the discussion on Blackboard. I can go ahead and click on that, and then you can see the questions posed here. So I can also create a message and respond to it. This is the same way your students will respond to it. Oops. So let's first go give it a subject. What I think about Blackboard. And then I can go ahead and post my response here. I think it's great and I plan to use discussions. Let me see if I can spell this right. Yeah. To engage my students. So now I can go ahead and click post here. Now eventually other students can go in here and respond to this. Maybe they want me to elaborate more or less, and then I can go in here and also continue asking questions to keep this discussion going online. With that said, this summarizes the discussion tool, how to create discussions, and how to respond to discussions within Blackboard.